Hello, my name is Jeff Morgan and welcome to FMVI. This is another in the series of video demonstration to explain the features, and the topic today is user permissions and roles. So what we've got here is our demonstration suite. I'm just going to log into that, and here we have the usual dashboard with the widgets and everything else. So I'm logged in as Jeff Morgan, and Jeff Morgan's a power user. I just want to quickly show you how these roles work. So the first thing that you need to do when we're setting up a new user, go into the new user and add a new user up here, and the dialog will open up. I'll just show that and fill all of these. So what I'm drawing your attention to is this job role here. These are job roles, and depending on what the new user's detail, his name, most important is email badge, and you create a temporary password for them here, which you can email to them. I won't dwell on that other than the fact that I wanted to draw attention to this user roles and how this happens. So let's close that, and you can see all of these different users have different roles. And you can see run down some power users and some inspectors and so on. I just want to show you where that comes from. Put in my name here, and there I am, and I'm a super admin. So where does that come from? Okay, I click on settings over here, and now under company settings we have this area here, user settings, and these are all those roles that are shown when we set the user up. So here we can see super admin's got 89 permissions, and a normal user, a guest user, has 19. So if we want to edit these, click into this area here, and these are all of the role permissions of what that particular user can have access to. Can they see the classes and the pick lists, and can they export the data, and so on and so on. Of course, this user is just a guest user, so pretty much everything is turned off. You can see that in there, and if I wanted to switch that on, it would actually turn it on for all of those users that applied to. Just cancel onto that and go into the super admin, and you can see that in the super admin they've got access to everything. Nearly pretty much everything else is turned on. So I would change any of those and update it, and those new permissions will be sent to any of those users which have got those permissions. And we can see from those permissions, they say supervisor, super admin, and Jeff would get those permissions from his super admin just by changing his role. If I want to change Jeff's role, not from super admin to something else, to make him inspector, just click on that, click on update, and all of those roles would then be sent to that particular user. Again, just to reiterate, if I want to view my account, go up to the top left on here. There's my account. You can see that I'm a super admin. I can't edit it from here. This is for information, but I can change my password here. All users have that capability. For the purpose of this demonstration, my name is Jeff Morgan. This is FMVI, and that's it complete.